Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to easily convert your script into a doc file without wasting any time. So let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for ChatGPT. Make sure you download the official ChatGPT app and update it to the latest version, so everything works smoothly. Once you've done that, open your Notes app and copy the script that you want to convert into a doc file. After copying it, open the ChatGPT app and simply paste your script there. Then type, "Convert this into a doc file" or "Convert to doc format" and send it. ChatGPT will automatically process your script and prepare the file for you. When your file is ready, you will see a download button. Just tap on it and download your doc file. That's it. Your script is now successfully converted into a doc file. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. See you soon.